All right, here we have number 1. We're going to draw the image after the following reflection and determine and write the vertex of the new image. So let's grab the original first here for this triangle. The image of A is denoted at 1, 2, B is denoted at 4, 2, and C is denoted at 3, negative 2. We are going to be reflecting it over this axis, which is the y-axis right here. So we can see that the A is going to be, let's say, right here. Okay, 1 unit away. So that is now going to be A prime is -1, 2. Notice that the x is changing side. So B prime is going to be -4, 2. And then C prime is going to be -3, -2. So it's here. And then it is going to be super far there, and then here. It should look something like this. All right. Notice for the rule for the x-axis is that x, y will arrow. The x will change side. Okay. Next, let's look at this. Let's grab the original point. The original point C is 1, 2, 2, 3. D is 4, 2. A is 2, -1. And B is -1, 2. Let's reflect this across the x-axis, which is located right here. Right. Let's do the first one. C is how far away? 1, 2, 3 units away. So it's 1, 2, 3 units away. It's right here. So C prime is located at 2, -3. I see that the y value changes sign. So D prime is going to be 4, -2. A prime is going to be 2, +1. And B prime is going to be -1, -2. The rule for the x-axis reflection is going to be that the y value changes sign. Let's now look at when y is equal to x. Y equals to x, it is referred to this line right here. All right. So let's grab the original point. So the original point is B is located at 1, -2. C is located at 4, 1. And A is located at 6, -3. Notice that when we reflect it, right, we notice that, let's take a look. This is up 1, right, over 1. So it's going to be up 1 over 1. It's going to be this. This is going to be B prime. So notice B prime is the point. Is going to be, what is that? -1, +2. Okay, so it was a 1, -2. It became -1, -2. And then let's take a look. Hold on. No, hold on. See, that looks off. Give me a second. So it has to be the same distance here. Yeah, so so it is, let's say, here. So then it's probably going to be the same thing here, right? So, right, and then it becomes B prime is going to be -2, 1, right? -2, 1 is right here. So notice the rule for this is that the x and the y just swap. So C prime would be 1 comma 4, and A prime is going to be negative 3 comma 6. Okay, well, 1 4 would be C prime, and negative 3 6 is up here somewhere, and that should be A prime. Okay, then just connect those. Lastly, let's look at x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 is located right here. This is where x is equal to 2. Right? Notice that we just applied the same rule. So B, let's grab the original point first. B, it is 1 comma negative 2, no, 1 comma negative 1. C is negative 2 comma 2, negative 2. And D is 1 2 3 4, negative 4 comma negative 1. And A is 1 2 3, negative 3 comma 2. Right, and let's see. So B is 1 unit away, so it's right here. So it now becomes what? 1 1 1 2 3. B prime, it is 3 comma negative 1. Let's look at what happened to C prime. C is going to be 1 2 3 4 units away. So it's going to be 1 2 3 4. So this is a total right here, if you think about it, 8. So you're basically adding 8 to that negative 2. So it becomes a positive 6 comma negative 2. Right, let's see. D, how far is D away? 1 2 3 4 5 6 away. So it's a total of 12. So D prime is going to be 12 plus negative 4. Okay, that is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it's 8. So it's 8 comma negative 1. Okay, and then the last one, A, how far is A away? 1 2 3 4 5. So it's 10. So A prime is going to be negative 3 plus 10, which is just going to be 7. 7 comma 2. Okay, there you go.